Today, we're making a heart crochet square, a granny-style square with a cute heart center. You can use it for blankets, bags, or any patchwork project. And the best part, the steps are simple and beginner-friendly. I hope this helps you a lot. All right, let's jump right in. You can size it up, just add more rounds. It's an easy repeat. And if you want it smaller, just stop earlier. You can adjust it to any size. For yarn, I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi, cotton yarn. Use any similar yarn you have. And I'm using a 2.5mm hook. Nice and neat, great for beginners. If you're ready, let's begin. This is round 1. Start with pink yarn and make a magic ring. That's a loop we crochet into, nice and easy. Chain 3, into the ring, 2 double crochet. Chain 2. Now, 3 double crochet into the ring. Keep your stitches relaxed. That chain 2 space is important. We'll build 4 groups in total, with chain 2 spaces between each group. Each group is 3 double crochet. Easy to remember. If you want the written pattern, check crochetstrends.com. Link is below. And feel free to save this tutorial for later. Once you have 4 groups, pull the tail and close that magic ring tight. Lovely. Chain 2, then slip stitch over until you reach the chain 2 corner space. Now we're in position. Chain 3. In the same corner space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Quick checkpoint, you should see a clean corner now. 2 doubles, chain 2, and 3 doubles in the same space. Chain 1. Next space, we make another corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. If this is helping, a quick like really supports the channel. Thank you. Now do the same in the last 2 spaces, and you'll have corners 3 and 4. Between corners, chain 1, and continue all the way around. Just keep that same rhythm. Chain 1 between corners. Your sides should start looking nice and even. At the end, chain 1, slip stitch over until you're back at the chain 2 corner space. Chain 3. Repeat that same corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And with our starting chain, that makes 3 doubles together. On that 3rd double crochet, switch to white yarn. Now chain 1, just like that. Carry the pink yarn underneath as you go, and make 3 double crochet in that space between corners. On the 3rd double crochet, switch back to pink. Chain 1, then make the corner. 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, and keep carrying that white yarn underneath, nice and loose. From here on, it's the same rhythm. Chain 1, 3 doubles in the next space, and switch color on that third double crochet. Keep the carried yarn loose underneath, so it stays nice and flat. With pink, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next space. On the third double crochet, switch to white. Chain 1, and repeat the corner. Quick checkpoint, your corner is 3 doubles. Chain 2, 3 doubles. And keep carrying that white yarn underneath. Switch back to pink on that third double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next space. And on the third one, switch to white again. Chain 1, and make the last corner. 3 doubles. Chain 2, 3 doubles. Quick checkpoint. You should have all 4 corners now. Keep that carried yarn loose underneath, so your square stays nice and flat. Switch to pink on the third. Chain 1 and 3 doubles in the next space. And this is how it looks so far. So pretty, nice and neat. Chain 1, then slip stitch over to the middle space, and keep that white yarn carried underneath. On the last slip stitch, switch to white. Perfect, clean color change. Chain 3. Same space, 2 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. Before you cut, leave a nice long tail. We'll weave it in neatly later, so it stays secure. We're done with pink now, so go ahead and cut it here. Now we continue with white. Chain 1, and between corners, make 3 doubles in each space. Chain 1 between every group, nice and steady. Just keep repeating between the corners. Nice and steady, and don't tighten that chain 1 too much, so your square stays flat. Chain 1, and in every corner, do the same. 3 doubles. Chain 2, 3 doubles. Keep going around, all in white now. 3 doubles in each space. Chain 1 between groups, and we'll finish this round in white. Now we just repeat around, all in white. 3 doubles in each space. Chain 1 between groups. Keep it relaxed, and I'll meet you at the end. At the end, chain 1. Slip stitch over to the chain 2 corner space. Chain 3. This is our final round in white. Corners stay the same. 3 doubles. Chain 2, 3 doubles. Between corners, 3 doubles in each space. Chain 1 between groups. Only corners get chain 2. Perfect. Now just repeat this final round, all the way around. Corners get chain 2, between groups, chain 1, and I'll meet you right at the end. At the end, chain 1. Slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Now weave those ends into the back, as neatly as you can. Weave the tail through a few stitches on the back, change direction once, and then trim it close. That keeps everything nice and secure. And that's it. Your heart square is complete. I hope this tutorial helped you a lot. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel. I share easy, beginner-friendly crochet tutorials every week. Give this video a like and share it with your loved ones. And next up, I'll show you how to join these heart squares together. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care.